Hey friends, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making double chocolate banana bread. So we're giving this chocolate in charge, and okay, you're not going to refuse it, it's a gift, so I had to use it to whip something really quick. So this is my ripe banana. I'm just going to mash that. You can use your fork, or if you have a masher, just mash, or you could also blend. Now just add all the dry ingredients into your mixing bowl. All the ingredients will drop in the description box below for reference. Then for the dry ingredient, just add everything to another separate bowl. Mix together with a spatula to properly combine. So this is the chocolate. So I'll just fold that up in the flour so it doesn't sink in the cake. Now add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and then fold that gently. Now add it. You can see I'm showing you how much calorie this chocolate is, so please no overindulge. Just take a slice of this banana bread and share with the rest of the family. So scoop that into your mold or your tin, bake in the oven, and it's ready. This double chocolate banana bread, it's yummy, it's tasty, it's delicious. Like, it's 100 out of 100. So let me know if you'll be trying, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next